It's that time again, the power unleashed. What's up guys, we are back and the gift of RM is official. It's time to see how fast the Galaxy S23 series could be compared to the S22 lineup. For those who don't know, all mobile chips, whether it's from Qualcomm or Samsung or MediaTek, they all are based on RM's latest generation tech. For 2023, RM has made the Super X3 core official, which is going to be used on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip that will likely power all the S23 models. Let's break down the exact boost that we're getting in terms of the performance. So with the X3 Super core compared to the X2 core from last year, we're getting about 22% higher performance, and that is when it's used on a 3nm fabric. With 4nm, it's gonna bring 11% boost. Regardless of the fabrication process, there's still a very considerable performance jump. Then comes the Cortex A75, the mid CPU core. It is responsible for a lot of key tasks that we do on our phone, so it's having a 5% power boost but a whopping 20% power efficiency gain. With this efficiency gain, we can definitely expect better battery life on the Android flagships. As for the Cortex A510, the low cores, we're getting about 5% boost in performance and 5% power efficiency gain. Now what about GPU? Well, RM has announced its strongest GPU as well, which is the Immortalist G75. This is the first RM GPU with the hardware ray tracing support. We've got 15% higher graphic performance compared to last year and 15% better power efficiency gains. It's definitely a beast of a GPU that we will likely see on the MediaTek's next chip. So it seems like RM is indeed pushing the boundaries with even better performance and better efficiency, basically saying that next gen phones will have laptop class performance. So hopefully Qualcomm can take the best of RM and bring the best optimization to the S23 series. Also, we now know the possible announcement of the S23's processor, and well, we're gonna talk about that right after this. There's a lot of shooting games out there, but this one has won my heart. Mech Arena is a 5v5 mech shooter with some of the best visuals I've seen. The game maps and mechs are really sleek. Mech Arena just released the amazing pilots feature with 12 completely unique pilots to choose from. Pilots add a whole new depth of strategy and gameplay variety. You can customize your pilot skills that fits your personality and your playstyle. You can also customize your mechs with certain weapons. Collect rare, epic, and legendary pilots, then pair your pilots with any mech in the game. What's new right now? Well, this month with Battle Pass Season 7, you can get your hands on some amazing skins plus a brand new pilot, Stefania, along with a new weapon and high-level Volitic RPG that shocks enemy and mess up their aim, which is super fun. Best of all, Mech Arena is free to play on Android and iOS, and if you use my special link in the description, you'll get a free starter pack worth $45, a Steel Ripper skin, 500 coins, and 70,000 credits to help kickstart your game. Don't miss this opportunity and be sure to add me in the game so we can play it together and have some fun. So see you guys in the game. Alrighty, so the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is in the works and it's actually rumored to get officially announced a bit earlier than last year. According to Digital Chat Station, the date for this is November 14th till November 17th. This is very interesting because Qualcomm might have another announcement in December. As we have heard, they're actually working on an Apple M2 competitor based RM chips for laptops. Imagine if they announce that in December and bring the announcement for the 8 Gen 2 in November. It's gonna be the perfect ending to this year. And speaking of perfect ending, you won't have to wait that long because the One UI 5.0 is indeed coming very soon. More sources are now saying that July is the month for the beta release of the Galaxy S22 series, and by October we're gonna get the official update rollout. So that's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about the gift of RM. The X3 Super core is here, bringing some really good improvements but also some efficiency gains as well. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.